transmission fluid. We're gonna change on the GL 350 diesel, Mercedes GL 350 diesel, and here we go. And this is the bottom. That it's already removed the cover. And now what we have to do is when the cover is removed, this oil pan will pop. Sorry about the light. This is from the bottom. When you look, it's from the front. So the torque converter is under here, so we have to remove these hacks, and this is drain plug, and as Mercedes they use their own everything hacks too. So drain it first, remove all nuts and screws, and if you want to drain, you can drain it. This here's the cover, right, and you will have to clear it. And this is that I was cleaning up earlier, and I have some residue left. So this is a very simple process that you can do. You don't have to change the whole bottom. And you know, some people use the drain adapter or whatever, you know, with those holes or whatever, but I myself screw it, I'll just drain it. I've been driven like 2 trips to Vegas, 1 trip to Reno, and they're mostly highways. Barely drive local. Only this, like, you know, the reason is it's for long hauls. I don't really, it's not like commute daily car. I just keep it because, you know, we have a child with special needs, so when we travel we got everything you can imagine. And right now we need one screw. T30. So feel it first before you just, there we go. It's snug, perfect. That will use it. If you feel too wobbly inside, don't trip. It is T40. And when you tighten it, you don't need to over tighten it, because, you know, it's a plug. And I've seen mechanic shops, you know, I have a hard time removing the, what we call, just to remove the filter. Here we go. And now it's ready to flow down. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this oil is dirty. It's yellow, black. It's turning black. Oh, otherwise, ew. Alright, let's go. 1. Just loosen it a little bit first. Right? And 2. 3. Don't make the mess like I do. Alright. Let's go for the time for this cleaning thing. Alright. And here, 2 magnets. Out. And here, another magnet. So these magnets, they are really, really dirty. Okay? Dirty. This guy. Surely I'm going to have to use this, the overflow thing. So before I spring out and wipe it everything with a paper towel. And you want to take this guy out. Come on. Put it aside. So simple. You did it clean. There's a small plug. See? This plug, what I usually do is I put a small magnet on it also. So, you know, whatever straight, I can get it. I can get everything out. Because transmission, you know, the gears are like all the time running, and especially we just like idling the gears. The pinions, they just scrub each other, and the powder, very fine powder coming out. There's no way to prevent it. It's normal. So now here, the pan is actually clean, but I am going to use cleaner. So gotta use a degreaser to make sure I really clean it well. I'm not taking out this gasket, I'll leave it. It's not being cheap. It's called conservation. There we go. This degreaser, just scrub it a little bit. And dump it in your, what we call the white pan or tank. Now, here, what I'm going to do is come here. This filter is going to go to trash anyway. So, here we go. This is it. So now the oil pan is clean. See? Wipe with the towel. You don't see any black dirty thing anymore. So why do I need to buy a new one and waste another piece and put in, you know, landfill or whatever, recycle or whatever, you know. We're being so spoiled. Oh, this one, throw away, throw away. Yes, you care about money, but you don't care about the rest. This is brake cleaner to make sure I clean it well. So, there we go. It vaporized nicely. Good. Come the magnet. So these magnets, they just replace. I said no. it's okay. Alright, because I'm cleaning. You wipe it really well, it comes back out clean, beautiful. Right here, another piece of magnet, then I'll wipe again later. When we were little, Grandpa used to do this, and we'll go grab the magnets and play with it. You know, kids, you know. But great old Grandpa never said a word. Let the child play. Let them enjoy. Now I understand why he let us play. Because when we play with it, we get used to it. And we saw everything and how they did. So when we get older, we don't become like, you know, spoiled brat that I think I'm entitled on everything. So, even though that we live today is a sunny, beautiful day for a lot of people, they think. But if you live near the coast, now you can see we cannot see the ocean, but it's about 5 minutes drive. If I go through by a straight shot, it's about less than a quarter mile maybe. So it's windy all the time. Break time. Now I have to take out, drain what we call the torque converter, which is here. That's the support bar from at the front end of this transmission. From here you could see, right, and here's the hole, and there's the plug. There's the plug, but it's a little bit inside that I have to, you know, turn the pulley to adjust it just at about 30 millimeter or 40 millimeter, and I'll drain the plug. It will have about 2 liters of transmission fluid. It will fly out again and it will be a mess, so I have to clean up that one. So here we go. And here there's the pulley that you have to turn when you're going to do, and it is, I believe, 27 that we use, and US is like they call 1 by 1 or some kind of fraction, whatever, just above an inch. So you know, it's just gas. You do it, and now plug in. You can do it from the bottom, but there is still all that. So yeah, there we go. Now perfect. Ready to turn. So that one, somebody have to turn from the top and you check it from the bottom. So only turn clockwise, never counterclockwise. And now we're going to drain the car, the torque converter. And sorry, I'm doing, laying down so far, so it's hard to adjust the angle because underneath, and that pipe is blocking. So it should be here. Now I just drained the torque converter. So that torque converter is drained from here. I can barely see it. How can I adjust it inside? Hopefully it will show. Can I see it? So whatever. Right, there's the hole, and it is visible. There's a small hole. Oh, there we go. There we go. So that's the drain plug. It's a hex. Yep, it's used hex, and just, unplug the hex and leave it for a while. Yeah, it will drain, but it's just slowly. Okay, after I skip one, and it is just put it back in the torque converter, the plug, the drain plug. So nothing was special, and I already cleaned this one at least. Touch off, clean it with a clean paper towel. So the oil residue, everything will be gone, and this on the side where the gasket is going to be contact with the body. So now drips all clean, and to have to plug in this filter. So just bought it from the dealer, even though I can order it from FCP Euro whatever, and push it up. There we go. It's not fit inside, so there's no bolt nuts, nothing, right? And an oil pan, make sure there's no dust, debris or anything, and do not forget there's the plastic, what we call overflow prevention or whatever. It's like keeping the oil level. So we have to pump it. We have to get the oil in from here. There's the only way that can inject oil. So some people use the homemade, pressurized whatever. Myself, I am going to use Harbor Freight too. So, clean up the pan first. There we go. And now it's for the big boy, little boy, big boy, whoever. So from the tail side first, check. Everything clear? Yes. Now push out a little bit. And time to mount. There we go. No rocket science. Everything is simple, right? So after you got it in, just hang on to one bolt. You need one. I pick up the 10mm instead of 40, T40, E40. So then tighten it up. Everything, whatever you need to, or plugs. Make sure everything is as the torque is. Changing the gasket is your choice. If you want to change your gasket, you may do so. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Because these gaskets, they don't just damage when you put them in. So, don't be like so freaking out, like, oh, I don't have my gasket. Alright? That's it. It is a very simple process. The only thing you're going to have to deal with is how to get your transmission oil inside. Right? That's the option you have. And I'll find out if some other way that I can screw around, without taking everything apart. Yeah. Alright. Time's up.